We're back again. We are on a big run this Thursday with videos, and we wanted to talk to you, wanted to share with you the opening of our YarnYay box. We are both participants and subscribers, and so this came in last night, and we are ready to open it up with you. So we've got our little trusty X-Acto knife, and put that back so it doesn't roll. Okay, now we're gonna open it. All right, so pretty. We love that aqua color. Okay, it comes with all kinds of information. And we look at this yarn. Oh wow, look at those aqua colors. Aqua green, the yellow, mustard. That's my personal favorite color. And this is what we're so excited about. This is a special thing. We've never made these needle gauges before. And Vickie asked us if we would for this box, and at first we said no because we didn't know how, and then we put our heads together and we came up with a design, and it shows right here it's made in Texas, and we put the YarnYay logo on it. And then we also got this cool, oh, it's like a little tote bag. It is a little project bag, and it's so cute. Look at that, to hold everything. And just some stuff to keep it all secure. But we are really psyched to be able to participate in this, and we love those yarns. We hope you all have fun with your boxes too.